Take and wrap this bit of cheese, a little bit of bread dough with that Gouda inside. There you go, I got my sled secured so it won't blow away or get buried. All this wood is wet and cold, so we're gonna put it around the stove to dry it out before we throw it in. I'm gonna string up a little clothesline to start drying my gloves out. Got some beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. I got these little lamb T-bones here and they're already seasoned. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the bone out and cut off the grizzle, put that in the pot first.